We are currently here at Starbucks. We're doing a trip. We're gonna go pick up Kayla.
Woo! And the best person, she's a small child. Well, I'm a small child, but Kayla.
Your sister, yes.
Yeah.
So right now, Kat's in Starbucks, and we're gonna be on the road. It's a nice day. It's really sunny, but it's supposed to pour around 5 all the way until tomorrow. That sucks. So that messes up our barbecue plans and outdoor things to do.
Wow.
Yeah, the barbecue last night was good.
What? It was so good.
Here she is with some deliciousness.
You're one to. I don't get it.
Thank you, my lady.
And there was one person that couldn't find their drink, and then another guy who wanted a refund, and it was just like, it's like, I just want my coffee. To be fair,
just want my
she
coffee.
was just like, what's your name? I'll get yours. And she's like, yes, I have yours. You're ready to go. And I was like, okay, great, thanks.
There's some good coffee here.
Yeah.
Why you got that face? Hi.
Kayla! Hey!
Hi.
Oh. Say hi. Hi.
What kind of cookie are we baking?
Chocolate chip.
So we're baking chocolate chip cookies.
Say hi, Kayla. She messed up her hair for this.
Alright, no, my bun was no. Little by little, okay? So let's get this cup and just put a little in here.
I wish I was a part of this, but I wasn't allowed.
I'm gonna just help you by holding.
You didn't offer.
Okay, that's
I
it.
offered.
And now we're gonna stir it. Just leave what you have in there now. So just dump that into the bowl. Yeah, even leave the cup inside the bowl. Now let's put that to one side for 1 sec. There. And you're gonna stir this all for me. It's in the dry stuff.
Look at that. That looks really good.
Kind of looks like beans.
You want to get some more of the dry stuff? And then
Come on, Kayla.
Sure. Hi, dog. Okay. Well, like a whole of this?
Kind of
Bring it over.
Go, Kayla.
And then just put a little bit in.
Is that good?
Yeah, and you can put another bit in after that.
When are we gonna put the best
That's
parts?
the last.
This is the best part.
Yeah, the best part is chocolate chips.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, it should start getting a little bit doughy, so we'll switch
Oh,
to the
yeah.
spoon in a little bit.
Hi, thanks for being a part, Sans.
I think she's just here if we drop anything. Kind of looks like applesauce now.
It does.
I'm just taking the whisk because I think I probably just need to move it to
Kayla, would you like to quickly read the ingredients in the back?
Sure. Okay.
Ah!
It's okay. It's
I'm
alright.
a great
Go ahead,
YouTuber.
read it.
Okay. Wait, which one? Sorry.
This right here.
Okay. So, 2 1/4 cups unsifted flour, 1 tablespoon baking soda,
Okay.
1 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup, 2 sticks, butter softened, 3/4 cup of sugar,
Yep,
3/4 cup of brown sugar,
More?
packed.
Yeah, put
Nice.
in the morning and then start
So
mixing.
we have all the ingredients, and now
Okay, good work.
we're almost done with baking these cookies with these amazing, beautiful females.
Thank you. Kayla doesn't think she's beautiful.
You want to get rid of anything that looks like white flour, so mix it all in until that stops looking like
Yeah,
this white
Kayla, that's what
flour.
happens.
Exposes me too much.
Yeah, I do. I have my hands. Like when it gets.
Yeah, it's a bit of a workout when it gets.
And then
in
Kayla
harder.
can do some too like that. She can put in some work.
The flour on the side. Can I get this down for you? And then you can mix. Oh, you got it. Good girl.
I do this with cereal because like there's cereal stuck on the top.
Got a perfect technique then. Kayla, you can have one too.
It's starting to look like
Just
cookie
be warned,
dough.
they are really dark, okay? They can have some from the bowl when we made the cookies.
I love dark
Okay,
chocolate.
that's fair enough.
All
The
right,
best part,
and it goes.
chocolate chip. Chloe, I saw that. You sneak-
Sit around, guys.
Go ahead. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
You saw me get that, right?
I'm gonna beat these a little bit before you
Are
start.
they
Yeah.
also going?
And then you can
Chocolate
put
chips
in
are
the
so
rest of
good.
the chocolate chips. I don't know, this can be really noisy.
Go ahead, son.
That scared me the first time.
That looks good.
Speed those.
Yeah, that should be enough. Keep mixing. Do we have more?
You want more almonds?
No. Please.
Is that the amount, or you just? We can put a little bit more, or the rest.
I don't
mean,
like the
you don't
sound
like-
that it makes.
You don't what?
I don't like the sound that it makes when it gets
The blender?
yeah.
There you go.
Okay, guys.
we're
Ready to
almost
make some
there.
cookies.
Okay, that looks. Does that
That
look
looks
good?
that looks very good.
That looks good. Alright, so
I really want more chocolate chips.
for one of these, it's a cookie.
So like take in the
Let's put over here so that we're closer to where we want to put our cookies, okay?
On me.
Alright. Good work. I'm just gonna squish them down a little bit. Then you can put them
You want them flat, right?
Really bright. They're like
Just don't look at the light.
seizure lights.
I'll just do 2 across, guys.
They're all the last ones. Oh. Can I eat that?
Sure.
Yes.
All right, here we got some chocolate chip cookies that are pretty much on steroids.
What?
See how big they are?
Children made those.
That's a little bad.
So many
Where's my chocolate chip?
Alright, guys, you can scrape the bowl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna put them in the oven.
Sounds like slipping my bowl.
How do they look?
They look really good. They look really good. Ooh,
Sorry?
just lost a chocolate chip.
Yeah, because it went into your mouth. So the chocolate chip cookies are done. Now we're just gonna let them cool down and have them after
That's a heart-shaped one.
after dinner. I think maybe that was Chloe. She tried to do a heart shape, but yeah, it's pretty cool. They're huge. So now we're putting them on this rack here so they can air out and not get soggy